video is brought to you by CARIBACAD, an educational platform built for Caribbean students. We provide structured content to help you ace your exams, access quizzes, videos, lesson material, and detailed explanations at your fingertips. You can also take live tutoring sessions at the comfort of your own home. Hola a todos, espero que estén disfrutando de clases de español. Hello everyone, I hope everyone is enjoying Spanish lessons. Now in today's video, we'll be learning el alfabeto, the alphabet in Spanish. So now let's get into it. A, B, C, Ch, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, E, M, N, Ñ, O, P, Q, R, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.